Hi everyone, Rowan here from the Melbourne Trades Trail. I'm here at Disneyland Resort. Today I'm going to film the Disneyland train that comes in out to Sunny Bay. Okay, and it'll come in about, just waiting a second. Comes the train. There is a statue of Minnie, a statue of the Big Cricket, and the Mickey Mouse is for holding, and we're departing now. As you can see, we're going to the park. And if you have any requests of what you want me to vlog or where you want me to vlog, just pop it in the comment section and I'll complete your requests. There's just another train passing.
No school?
No. There it goes.
At Toronto School. So. Yeah, same
right.
Thing. Go back. Oh, come out the front here.
Here's more of the front. Here, and we're just about to approach a tunnel, and I'll see you at Sunny Bay. Let's just front for you. I'll see you at Sunny Bay. Anyway guys, I'm going to wrap this vlog up now. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, favorite channel, favorite the video. See you in the next vlog. Bye for now.